Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lower chute ring retainer in your snowblower, make sure the engine has cooled. Use a 3/8-inch socket to unthread the 3 mounting bolts, securing the chute handle and the chute itself. Remove the assembly and detach the handle. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw to release the chute ring seal. Unthread the 2 front housing mounting screws. Next, unthread the 3 screws from the right side of the housing. Use the 3/8-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting bolt, securing the housing to the rear bracket. Next, unthread the screws to release the 2 retaining clamps, holding the housing to the handle. You can now fully remove the housing. Use pliers to detach the ratchet ball spring. Next, unthread the 4 bolts to release the upper ring retainer. Lift off the ring gear. You can now unthread the 2 mounting bolts to release the old lower chute ring retainer. Install the new lower chute ring retainer by aligning it on the discharge chute. Then thread the 2 bolts to secure. Keeping the tab facing the right side of the snowblower, realign the ring gear on the retainer. Reposition the ratchet pawl. Then realign the upper ring retainer. Thread the 4 bolts. Reattach the ratchet pawl spring to the ring assembly and the ratchet pawl. Reposition the housing. Align the 2 retaining clamps and thread the screws to secure the housing to the handle. Rethread the mounting bolt to secure the housing to the rear bracket. Replace the 3 right side screws. Rethread the 2 screws securing the front of the housing. Reposition the ring seal on the housing so the Phillips head screw hole aligns with the appropriate screw hole in the ring gear. Thread the screw. Realign the handle on the chute, then reposition the assembly on the ring seal, and thread the 3 mounting bolts to secure. Your snowblower should now be ready for use.